In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make these super cute balloon filled boxes. Are you ready? Hey guys, today I'm sharing with you how to make this awesome DIY party decoration. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Let's get started. You will need a box, gift wrapping paper, a patio door insulation shrink kit. I got this one at Home Depot. Some balloons, a hair dryer, some glue sticks, some tape, some ribbon, a box cutter, and a drywall T-square or a ruler. Okay, so here I am using the box cutter and the T-square to cut 4 windows into each side of the box. Now your first cut probably won't go all the way through the cardboard, so I recommend just going over each cut 2 to maybe 3 times just to make sure that you're cutting all the way through the cardboard, and it helps you to get cleaner lines. Next, we stand our box up and punch out the windows. Tape the box closed and we're ready to wrap. I found that placing the gift wrap on the table and then gluing down the taped side first was the easiest way to wrap. I recommend gluing the gift wrap because it gives a cleaner finish. And here is the completely wrapped box. Let's move to the shrink wrap kit. You're gonna apply the tape along the edges of each of your windows. Next, you'll want to unwrap and then cut the shrink wrap plastic. You want your pieces of plastic to be a little bit bigger than your actual window. You can always remove the extra plastic later. Remove the paper backing from the shrink wrap tape. Stick your plastic film to the tape. You'll want to stretch and pull it as tight as you can. Don't worry if there are still some wrinkles. We'll get rid of those in the next step. Now comes the best part. Smooth and eliminate any leftover wrinkles using your hair dryer set at the highest setting. Make sure you keep the dryer 4 to 6 inches away from the film. Do not touch the plastic with the hot dryer. Here's what it looks like so far. We're almost done. Next, we apply our decorative ribbon. This is so super cute. Let's add the balloons. Now we need to make our letter. We'll need some poster board, a glue gun, some Mod Podge or just regular glue, glitter, and a paintbrush. I use a Cricut maker to cut my letters, but you can also cut them by hand. Stick your letter to the front of your masterpiece and you're done. I wanted to add some small embellishments to my letter. Look how it turned out. It's so pretty. I can't even explain how happy I am with it. Hopefully this DIY decoration helps make your event unforgettable. Thumbs up the video if you liked it, and let me know down in the comments how your balloon-filled letterboxes turned out. And now we are all ready to decorate our event with our balloon-filled letterboxes. I had so much fun making these. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will be answering any questions down in the comments, and we will see you in the next video. Gotta get the giggles out. Just